Okay, U10, welcome to your video tutorial about using formulas. Today we are going to have a look at equations that are actually formulas, and we're going to look at some submitting into these equations. Okay, a formula or a rule is an equation that relates to two or more variables, okay? So it usually has two or three or maybe even sometimes four unknowns. We can find the value of one of the variables if you're given the other values of the unknowns. So let's have a look at some of this. Okay, find if V equals U plus AT, so that's V equals U plus A, I'm going to write them in different colours, T. Find T when V equals 16, so V is 16. Oh, whoops, sorry, I'm going to fix that up a little bit. V equals 16, okay, U equals 4, and A equals 3, okay. So 16 equals 4 plus 3t, okay. I'm just going to rearrange this equation a little bit. 4 plus 3t equals 16, okay. I'm going to write my t with a little tail so I know that it's a t, not a plus. Okay, so 4 plus 3t equals 16. So the first thing I have to get rid of is the 4. Okay, it's a plus 4, so I minus it from that side. If I minus it from the left, I have to minus it from the right. So I'm left with 3t equaling 12. If 3t equals 12, I have to get rid of the 3 by doing the opposite operation. That 3 and that t are being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I divide this side by 3 and I divide that side by 3. Those cancel each other out. So I'm left with t equaling 12 divided by 3, which is 4. The other example of a question that you might get is calculate the cost in dollars when of hiring a taxi when C equals 3 plus $1.45 per 1.45 D. So D is the distance traveled. So basically a flat rate of 3 and $1.45 for every kilometre travelled. What's the cost of a 20 kilometre trip? Well, cost equals 3 plus 1.45. So 3 plus 1.45 times 20. And if I put that into my calculator, I get an answer of 32. Okay, how many kilometers can be traveled for 90? Okay, so again, this time, that's C equals 32. This time, we have the cost, 90, and we want to find the kilometers. So 90 equals 3 plus 1.45D. Rearrange the formula. 3 plus 1.45D equals 90. Let's get rid of that 3 first. That's a plus 3, so I'll need to minus it from this side and minus it from that side. So 1.45D equals 90 minus 3 is 87. If 1.45D equals 87, D by itself equals, sorry, this is really bad, 87 divided by 1.45, and 87 divided by 1.45 equals 60. Okay, so 60 kilometers can be traveled for $90. And that's it. That's using formulas.